Well, this is a Noco G7200 battery charger. And it comes with this cable here. It has two extension cords, one with those universal alligator clips that goes to your battery. And then there is always like a little protection cap on there, on those extensions, that they don't get dirty. And then you can plug this in like this. And if you want to unplug it, you have to push the button here to unplug it, like this. And then you pull hard. So there is this protection for this cable. They are very well made. Waterproof. It's fantastic. Now, there's the charger. The last thing you do is you plug it in. There's the 110 outlet on this case. And you plug it in and you see it starts up, and then it goes to some AGM battery, but we want to have a different mode. So you push and hold this button, and then it goes to the next mode, and you click and click and click on that button until it's an idle there. Or you can move on here, in this case, to a regular 12-volt LED battery. And that nothing else you have to do, it's just that. And then you can see here it starts charging. And this 25% lamp will become solid the moment it reaches 25% of charge. Now, this battery is pretty charged already, so this will go step by step relatively quickly to go to 100%. Let me zoom in a little. There. And then I'm gonna move this video fast forward so that we see how this progresses. So now it's already above 25% charge until it reaches 100 eventually. Once it reaches 100, it stops charging, and then when the battery voltage drops a little, it will recharge what's missing. So it always keeps it in a full state, basically. And the good thing is there's nothing you have to do. If you lose power and the power is back on, it will keep going in this mode. It will not change the mode on its own. There we see we have 100% almost charged. Like when the light becomes solid, then we are at 100%. And the good thing about this charger is you have nothing to do. You just watch it doing it. And when it's there, you can leave it on. There's no need to disconnect. It just takes care of your battery. Very nice.